Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Galactic here, and today I have 4 booster packs. So I'm gonna start with Houndoom, then I'm gonna go this. Oh no, I'm gonna start with this, then go Houndoom, Mega Sizord, then Zygarde. We got Houndoom. Professor's Letter. Oh, guys, I can see something. Spuda. Houndoom's Spirit Link. I have a Mega Houndoom, so I'll put this on, like, the good pile. Piplup. Niobat. Chespin, Ralts, Magnemite, Energy, and Mega Mewtwo EX. Oh my gosh. That is absolutely awesome. This is sick. What an amazing way to start the video. Mega Mewtwo EX. Wow, that is boss. Oh my gosh. Now down to Houndoom. Mega Mewtwo. Hopefully that's good luck. No way, I see another EX. Fraxier. Parallel City, Seeking, Froakie, Axew, Algium, Ghastly. I actually don't know what this Pokemon is. I've never really seen that before of a card. Meowth, Pinsir, Reverse Hollow, and Mega Glalie EX. Let's go! No way, this is boss. 2 megas in a row. Guys, no joke. Like, no joke. That's no setup. That's actually just what I got from the packs. Okay, so I guess it's the same thing. That's kind of cool. Never really seen that. Well, I think I have a couple of times, actually, with the, with Evolutions booster packs. Nuzleaf, Puzzle of Time, Aromatisse, Gibble, Seedot, Chikorita, Corsola, Furfrou, Spritzee, Reverse Hollow, and Hollow Meganium, regular rare. Alright. Let's see what we got in the last pack. Zygarde. Don't fail me now. Even if we don't get really anything good, I'm happy with what I got. My gosh. Okay. Energy Pouch. Halucha, Power Memory, Fennekin, Gothita, Binacle, Meowth, Whismur, Reverse Hollow Dugong, and then Marowak regular rare. So I'm going to put this in the back here. So in the first pack, I got a Mega Houndoom Spirit Link. Well, it just says Houndoom Spirit Link. But I have a Mega Houndoom, so this is going to be good. Or wait, Your turn does not end if the Pokemon this card attached to it to becomes Mega Houndoom EX. I don't really get what that means, so I really don't know how the spirit stuff works. I haven't done a battle with those. Mega Mewtwo EX from the first pack in the end. That was just sick. Mega Glalie EX. That is boss. Chiromouth. Okay, so I'm going to read this. If the Pokemon has 10 or more damage counters on it, this attack does 150 more damage. So 250, that's pretty good. It can go up to. Meganium Reverse Hollow. I thought this was a really cool card. I like fully evolved starters. They're really cool. And I really like Chikorita as a starter. And I really think its full evolution is cool too. And Reverse Hollow Dugong. I think I really think this was really cool too. But anyways, guys, a lot of awesome cards. Awesome video, guys. That is just sick. Well, anyways, guys, hope you guys liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. I'm sorry I haven't been doing that much videos lately. I mean, like, I posted 2 yesterday, and those were the first 2 I've done in a week. I'm going to post this one, and I might post a vlog after this. But I think I'm going to be doing a lot after Christmas. I celebrate my Christmas early. It's in 2 days, so I celebrate it on Christmas Eve because on real Christmas, I have Christmas at my grandma's. But guys, I might get Pokemon cards. I might get a lot of cool Pokemon stuff for Christmas. And the stuff that I had on my Christmas list, those would make some really cool videos. But like I said, guys, I really hope you guys liked the video. I thought these 4 packs were really cool, and I got pretty darn lucky from them. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time.